So we're at the world famous Marine Drive today with Sakshi and Roshni. Sakshi and Roshni, very nice to meet you all. What has been your experience with dating apps? What dating apps have you used and do you like them at all?
Yes, I like that because we can invest the time in the apps. Like
Okay.
nowadays everyone is busy here and there, but while using the app, I feel like free from some time, and literally I'm very tired from my jobs, and also when I use the app I feel little relaxed, little tension free.
That's
That
great.
is good. That is very great for me.
Okay, you actually like using dating apps. And what about you? You don't use dating apps at all. Okay, so which dating apps have you used?
Like social media asking or dating app?
Dating apps in particular.
Not a particular. I always use the other.
Azar? Azar? Wow, that's an app I haven't heard of. Tell me about it.
Nothing. I use I use it, but not almost. I am always on active at the Instagram only.
Instagram's your go-to. So you scroll through Instagram and
A lot.
got it. That makes sense. How often do men approach you with the intention of
A lot of men have.
a lot of men approach you all the time, and how do you like that? If
Sometimes I feel like no, it is going on shit. I don't
Okay.
like that. I feel
Right.
bored.
okay,
Oh, this is a common. So I
Right.
feel like every boy is same.
What?
So I don't take it serious. I'm like scroll down.
okay,
I'm like literally bye.
Okay.
Because but we can see that he is something different. So I talk with that guy,
Got it.
but not almost with all of them, because we get that how the boys almost.
of course,
like,
everyone wants the same thing ultimately, and that is why.
Yeah.
So are these approaches in person or are they on Instagram? Like, do they slide into your DMs?
both
Both.
DMs and also on the live.
Exactly, like when you're walking around.
Yes.
So on average, how many times would you say that you get approached on average in a
No,
week?
almost till now I am like no, I don't like anyone. I don't know why.
Yeah.
मेरे जैसा कोई मिल नहीं रहा है तो
Oh.
not at all.
अच्छा.
Now no.
How often do you make eye contact?
Never I do that.
You don't make eye contact? Okay.
Sometimes I often do it, but लाखों में से एक ऐसा कोई होगा तो हाँ genuine ना, because every girl is like हाँ this is, but no, I am like no, कोई तो बहुत attractive लगा, अच्छा लगा,
हाँ.
then I am like okay, he is like my boy.
Correct. So when you make eye contact with someone attractive, do you want to approach them or do you want them to approach you?
Let them approach.
You don't
No,
approach
no,
ever.
never.
Because she have too much attitude.
Yes.
Of
Like
course.
I don't feel
Pretty,
that.
no, pretty girls have attitude and that's justified. Like you both are very pretty. You both can have as much attitude as you like. So how do you feel about when you make eye contact and if there was an app where if you pressed a button and the other person also pressed a button, the app will show you each other's profiles.
Yes.
So what do you think about that as a concept? Like, so when you make eye contact, like do you wanna let them know that I'm interested, and you can do that by pressing a button?
No, let me first talk to that guy. How is he? Then we will do the eye contact and the further things. Let's go on.
Got it. All right, last two questions and then I'll let you all go. What is the worst message you have gotten into your Instagram? Like the worst DM in your Instagram?
Yeah.
That chapri guy is shy.
Like
Shairi.
that Shairi also one guy. Like they know literally my address also, and they're talking like
No
in this building you are living and
way.
here you are living and now you are going from here. So that is like how can they know? Literally yesterday only it happens. At
Yeah.
3 o'clock I went down for
Okay.
having some juice. And literally the guy messaged, now you've gone near the building now. I was like, how they are knowing that?
Oh my goodness.
So attention, I don't want that thing.
Sure, I'm sorry to hear
Literally know the building number, everything, the society name also. So that was like, I was literally afraid of that message. How they know my home also
Sure,
literally.
I'm sorry to hear that. There are real stalkers out there and that's a
Very,
problem.
very stalkers, I do
Right.
a lot.
And then last question before I let you all go. 420, 69, both or neither?
What is this? 14,
Okay,
16?
420 is smoking weed.
Okay.
69 is a sex position.
Okay.
So both or neither?
No, nothing.
Neither. Got it.
29.
69.
69.
24 na?
420. 420 is a.
420.
But you are like 420 smoking.
No, I
Smoking
don't
weed?
like it. Often,
That's fine.
sometimes only, not almost.
A little bit here and there. So
Black Crush is my favorite, but I can tell you that.
Black Crush. You and I think alike. And then
Yeah. Same
Final-
to you, Black Crush, you do love that only.
yeah, sometimes.
nice.
Yeah. One final question, sorry. Which famous person would you like to match with on a dating app?
No, yeah, still now, no one. But
No, okay.
one day it will be with
But any famous person in your mind that you wanna like match with on a dating app, or who you wish would
Shubman Gill. The cricketer Shubman Gill. I love
Shubman Gill.
Shubman Gill.
Okay.
Yes.
Pretty good. Well, thanks for your time. I really appreciate you answering these questions, Sakshi and Roshni.
Yeah.
Awesome.